Hi, I'm Rocky Feliciano G. Kakachan, 20 years old. I came from Barangay Macarascas, Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. I was graduated in Macarascas National High School, batch 2008-2009. And now, I'm studying at Puerto Princesa School of Science and Technology, taking computers programming NC4. And this is a very in-demand job. I'm choosing this course because I want to learn more about the new high-tech technology, which is the computer. And I think this is a very in-demand job. The person that influenced me to taking this course is Miss Jaina Almoroto. She is my batchmate in high school. In computer literacy, according to our lesson, I learned to use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Publisher, and to make things that's very useful, which is the computer software, reading codes, audio and video editing. I see myself in the next 3 to 5 years after graduate, I have my own business and a respectful businessman. For more information, please visit us www.facebook.com/RockyKakachan.